In today's video, guys, I want to take you through this beautiful trade that is GBP guys, that we did take on Friday before the market closed. That was around 10 p.m. I believe so. And yeah, this is how the market was looking like. Let me just show you. Right over here, this was British pound. Like I said before, this is how the market was looking like before we took that entry. You can confirm once again over here, August 2nd, and yeah, this is it when we took the trade. And now today, August 5th, guys, over here you can confirm once again when price did hit our take profit, right? So yeah, this was a very simple trade that I think I won't waste your time, guys, explaining this trade. Okay, so first things first, let me just take you through. If I take it, I believe that was the weekly or the daily, or all right, this is the daily, right? So yeah, I'm not going to remove my drawings. Over here you can see we are definitely on an uptrend, right? So yeah, we had a higher high right here and a higher low right there, so definitely price has that potential of going up like crazy, right? So now if you look at this level right here, all this, that's just like a continuation pattern. We understand all about continuation pattern. We have bullish flag, bearish flag, something like that. Now when I did understand that this is like a continuation pattern, then now adding more confidence, guys, we need to see that over here we had another reversal right here is a double bottom, right? Then now all these was just an impulse, right? So when I saw that, then all I just needed to do is just find another continuation pattern, right? It's easy. The market will never go just straight, will never drop, or will never go up all the way, right? Definitely the market needs to breathe. Higher high, higher low, lower low, lower high, something like that. Or we have impulse correction, something like that. Now over here, this is an impulse, so definitely I was anticipating a correction, another bullish flag. So instead that bullish flag, we're going to add more confidence, and take a buy. We're not going to look for sales because everything is looking like buy, right? So now let's do this. Like I say, an impulse correction, then we see the market went all the way up. So definitely there's this, another bullish flag that we need to talk about, right? So now when we go to the H1, let me just show you something over here. I believe, yeah, this is where the market was. So yeah, even if we try to clone this level right here, then maybe have it right here, something like this. So we have, like I say, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, probably then of course lower high. Now I believe most people are still anticipating that drop, or that downtrend to continue. But now if you did understand the market structure and the market direction, definitely you are not supposed to look for sales, but only look for buy opportunities, right? So over here, if I take it to the 15, let's just try to understand how the market move, right? Guys, I do risk 10 pips, and that's a good amount of pips, risking 10 to go in for more than 100. So my risk to reward ratio is usually 1 to 10, which is crazy. Most people do risk 1 to 1, 1 to 2, 1 to 3, something like that. And actually getting a 1 to 3 type of a reward is kind of, I might say it might be quite challenging to get that kind of a reward. But yeah, I go in for more than 10, right? So yeah, so over here we need to talk about the approach, right, guys? Now if you know about reversal pattern, guys, over here I think you can understand that this is a left shoulder right here, this is the head. Now the market went up and gave us another bullish flag right here, right? So now there's a problem, guys. I did not take this entry right here because we had, was it NFP or CPI last week? I believe that was NFP for sure. Yeah, that was NFP. So I did not take that entry because of the news. So in fact, if I did take that entry, definitely the news would have wicked me out, then go to my direction, because like I said before, I risked 10 pips. So right, probably around this level, that should have been my stop loss. So you see, we have that wick, and the market will definitely wick me out, and go to my anticipated direction. Now after the NFP news played out, then okay, we know, like I said before, the market usually gives us a second chance. Okay, now that is what we need to wait for. If the market goes without you taking your position, guys, no need to chase that trade, let it go, because definitely the market will come back and give you another chance, another entry position, right? So we see the market went up, and guess what, we see right over here we had another bullish flag. Like I said before, this is a buying market, and the only thing we should be looking out for are just continuation pattern, bullish flag. And if you see right here, this is a bullish flag right here, that is it. So we need to go to maybe lower time. Remember, right now we're at the 50, we need to go to the lower time frame and look for our buys confirmation entry right there. Now if you go to the 5 minutes, guys, I'm not going to dig deep into my entry strategy no more, right? I tweaked my strategy, my entry strategy, so I'm not going to give out this once again to the internet, guys, because algorithm. All right, so yeah, previously I've been giving out my entry strategy, and like I say, market do change, algorithm, so they might change or tweak the thing or the algorithm, and definitely trading will be stressful, right? So I'm not going to dig deep into my entry strategy, guys. So yeah, I did take that entry right over here, and let me just have it somewhere around this level right here. So yeah, I took that entry right here, and guess what, the market went up once again and gave another opportunity right here, another bullish flag, another position right here, and you see that's a 9.5 stop loss, and the market did, I think the market closed on Friday around, was it this? Nah, I think it was this zone. Was it? Nah, yeah, it was this zone, I believe so. Yeah, the market closed around this zone, definitely. Let me see. Sunday, Friday. Yeah, the market closed around this level right here, and yeah, you see I was still in profit, and the market open yesterday night, and once again, guys, another opportunity the market gave right here, and you see another, if you guys are good in pattern right over here, I think you can see another reversal pattern to just give you a sign or a green light that you should be taking another buy entry position, guys. At least the market gives blueprint. That is what I keep on saying, the market gives blueprint. And yeah, I was just targeting this level right there, 140, yeah, 147. So that was a good risk to reward ratio. Yeah, I think this is in the morning right here, and I gave this to my VIP, though I never gave this to my public right here. So this is when I was in profit over here. So this was 7:45 a.m. today. You see, I said yo, and definitely you can see this is when I locked my profit. This is my stop loss trail 1.96552, and this is when I took my entry 1.96338, and I say yo, I locked, everything is locked, and I've thrown away the key. That is, I locked the profit. Then after sometimes I just had an alert triggered, my take profit had been hit. Let me just see, when was that? 8:39 a.m. This is when my alert got triggered that my take profit was hit. And definitely this market basically went over 400 pips with less than an hour, 400 pips up from my entry position, right? Let me show you, 400 pips, guys. Right, let me just adjust this like this, then take it to the H4 or then H1, right? This was an amazing trade though. You see right there, that's 405 pips from my initial entry position, less than an hour to play. Yeah, so I think that was an easy trade, guys. So let me see, I'm looking out for GBP/NZD. So yeah, I think I also wanted to take a trade on GBP/NZD, Aussie card on the same day. Yeah, you see it played out nicely, definitely. So I had 3 trades. I had GBP/NZD, GBP/AUD, and Aussie card or out card. But now the reason why I did not take AUD card is because the market did not give me clear structure of the lower time frame, for me to take that sell position, right? And you see the risk was 6 pips, guys. So if that was not a Friday, I could have taken that entry. So the reason why I did not take, like I said, I was risking 6.5 pips. Yeah, so the problem would be when the market closed on Friday, definitely the spread would have been crazy and stopped me out. So I just said, okay, let me just let it go. And you see she dropped almost 200 pips. Yeah, now GBP NZD was another one. I was supposed to take this entry on Friday right over here, but then guess what, the market never gave me a good bullish flag, a good continuation pattern. Yeah, of course it gave me a good a continuation pattern right over here of the 15 minutes and the 5, but the problem is I never saw my last conference, or the green light to tell me, yo, take your entry position. So I just let it go. And of course, like I said before, after every impulse we anticipate a correction. So right now all I'm just waiting for is just another opportunity that GBP NZD, if GBP NZD gives me a good opportunity, buy opportunity, that because I'm looking for buys, then I'm going to take that entry. If I don't see any confirmation, I'm not going to take any entry position. And guys, GBP NZD will have been a good one if she gave me a good conference on Friday. Right now I could have been up 260, or let's say 270 pips, because definitely I wanted to target this level right here around 523 pips, guys, because, and it's something amazing, guys. I'm risking only 10 pips, no more than 10, guys. 10 pips, I'm going for at least 100. The least is 100, so I'm risking 10 to go for 100 plus, risking 10 to go for 400, risking 10 to go for 500, but it's a crazy and a risky thing, risking 10 pips, guys. So you need to master the skills for you to be able to risk 10 pips, because I'm trading on a very risky time frame, right? So yeah, I hope you guys learned that video, and check out my Telegram link in the description box below, and do not get scammed, guys. I don't trade for anybody, I don't do any investment package, right? So adios, my amigos.